we're going to demonstrate how to connect your Yealink Wi-Fi compatible phone to a Wi-Fi network via Ooma Office. First thing you'll do is take the WF50 or WF40 Wi-Fi dongle USB stick and attach it to the back of the phone to the USB port. Once connected, the phone will recognize the Wi-Fi adapter and will ask you to confirm that you want to connect via Wi-Fi. We'll say OK. Next, the phone will scan for available Wi-Fi networks in your location. To scroll through the selections that are available, simply toggle using the up and down arrows on the phone. Once you've found the network you'd like to connect to, hit the OK button, and then you'll be prompted to enter the password. The soft keys on the phone provide shortcuts for toggling between upper and lower case and special characters. So let's go ahead and enter the password for this network. So once you've successfully entered your password and hit OK, the phone will connect to the network automatically. Once it's connected, it will tell you that it's successfully connected. The network that you've then connected to will be available for future reference as a known or saved network. So in the future, if you need to connect to that network or other networks, you can go back through the menu to Settings, Wi-Fi, and then scroll through to your known networks and select the one that you've already connected to, or enter a new network at that time.